Hi, I believe this is your website. Yeah, the reason that I'm recording this video for you is that I'm being trained in website design and I want to show you a website that you might like. Check. Yeah, my boss, this is her website. My boss figures that an agency could get $1,200 to $1,500 or maybe more for a website like this. Yes. I would add your photo here and a contact details or maybe some info that you might want to add in a website. If this website would be good for you, you do me a favor and hit the reply and let me know. Yeah, if not, no big deal. Oh, I forgot to mention my name is Juvie and I'm working in Agent Boomer Marketing and Red Deer. Yeah, talk to you soon.